Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Ernest with UpFix. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And so now let's answer some more questions that you guys have. So Yeny asks in the comments below one of our videos, my 2008 Prius has more buttons than one pictured in your YouTube Q&A video. Is this the right repair for a 2008 Prius with 7 buttons on the side of the screen? The right buttons don't work, and the map using steering wheel button just show lines. This started suddenly 2 days ago. So as you guys already know, the Prius MFD multifunction display has quite a few issues with those units. They overheat, they tend to fail, some of the buttons stop responding, power loss. You might get some lines going across the screens vertically or horizontally. You might even get a white screen. If it's power loss, it'll just go completely black, and it'll just, when you tap on it, it might come back on, it might not. Most of the times it'll just do its own thing, so to speak. And we do fix both trim levels. So for the Mark II Toyota Prius from 2004 to 2009, there are 2 trim levels: the base, which has 4 buttons, and then the Touring, which is the 7 buttons. The 7-button one and the 4-button one, they do have slight configuration differences on the circuit level, but they essentially are the same units. Some of the 7-button ones have like GPS, Bluetooth, some extra options, some goodies in there. But the repairs that we do are pretty much the same regardless if it's 7-button or the 4-button. And yes, it should restore the functionality of those buttons that are not working properly. So if you have any questions, let us know, and you should be all set. Let us know what you think of this video. Like and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And we'll see you next time.